Loki Coach redefines luxury travel by utilizing the Prevost H345 VIP chassis as the foundation for their motorhomes, renowned for their robust construction, exceptional reliability, and high-performance capabilities. Powered by the Volvo D13 engine, delivering an impressive 500 horsepower and 1,850 pound-feet of torque, these motorhomes combine strength with smooth performance. Advanced driver assist features, including lane departure warning, emergency braking, and adaptive cruise control, enhance safety and ease of operation for a seamless driving experience. One of the standout features is the 96 kilowatt-hour lithium battery power bank, which provides up to 36 hours of energy autonomy. This, combined with high-efficiency solar panels and supercharged alternators, ensures a sustainable and eco-friendly power supply. The motorhomes are equipped with cutting-edge energy management systems, offering remote monitoring and efficient power distribution to maintain maximum functionality during off-grid adventures. The integration of a Garmin vehicle management system and a custom user interface enables effortless control of all onboard systems, reflecting Loki Coach's commitment to intuitive design. Inside, the motorhomes are a testament to luxury and craftsmanship. They feature meticulously designed interiors with ergonomic layouts, high-quality materials, and smart storage solutions that create a harmonious and modern living space. The entertainment systems include state-of-the-art audio and video setups with 3 flat-screen televisions and a paradigm sound system, ensuring top-tier relaxation on the road. Additional amenities like a queen-size bed in the master suite, double bunk beds, and an optional outdoor kitchen make these motorhomes ideal for accommodating up to 8 adults comfortably. Designed for year-round travel, the motorhomes include R16 insulation and hybrid electric and diesel heating systems, allowing travelers to comfortably explore diverse climates. Models such as the LC 6295 elevate the experience further with full-size kitchens, washer and dryer units, heated floors, and multi-zone air conditioning. Loki Coach also offers bespoke customization options, ensuring every motorhome aligns perfectly with the unique preferences and lifestyle of its owner. With their unparalleled combination of technology, elegance, and functionality, Loki Coach Prevost motorhomes are a game-changer in luxury travel, offering an unmatched off-grid experience. The Prevost H345 VIP is a motorhome designed to deliver unmatched luxury and sophistication for travelers seeking the ultimate experience on the road. Built on the renowned H345 chassis, this motorhome seamlessly integrates advanced technology with exceptional craftsmanship, offering a perfect balance of performance, safety, and comfort. Powered by an environmentally compliant Volvo D13 engine, it generates 500 horsepower to ensure smooth and efficient operation. It is equipped with cutting-edge safety features such as adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, electronic stability programs, and all-disc brakes with an anti-lock braking system for optimal safety and control during travel. Inside, it boasts high ceilings and expansive, panoramic windows, creating a bright and open ambience. The living spaces are designed with bespoke furnishings and meticulous attention to detail, ensuring comfort and elegance. The kitchen is outfitted with premium appliances and ample storage to meet all culinary needs, while the bathroom features high-end fixtures and a full-size shower for a luxurious at-home feel. Advanced entertainment systems are seamlessly incorporated, offering state-of-the-art audio and visual experiences to enhance relaxation. Its exterior design is sleek and aerodynamic, contributing to improved fuel efficiency and aesthetics. Underfloor luggage compartments provide up to 430 cubic feet of storage, making it ideal for extended journeys or those who need ample space for personal belongings. Buyers can personalize their H345 VIP with a variety of layouts, materials, and integrated technologies, ensuring a completely unique and tailored travel experience. It comes with Michelin 315/80 R22.5 tires on the drive axle for durability and performance. The steering system includes a tilt and telescopic steering wheel for enhanced driver comfort. It also features a robust electrical system powered by 4 advanced glass mat batteries for reliable energy supply. With innovative safety systems, factory-installed premium equipment, and customization options that cater to even the most demanding preferences, it sets a new standard for luxury motorhomes, offering an unparalleled experience for discerning travelers. The newer King Air sets a new benchmark for luxury in the motorhome industry, offering unparalleled sophistication and performance. Built on the highly durable Spartan K3 tagged axle chassis, this motorhome is powered by a Cummins X diesel engine that delivers an impressive 605 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque. This powerful combination ensures a smooth, reliable, and efficient driving experience, making the King Air perfect for extended travel. Inside, the King Air is a masterpiece of opulence and comfort. It features Italian leather furniture, meticulously crafted to provide both elegance and durability. The interior is further enhanced by high-end residential appliances, offering a level of convenience and functionality akin to a luxury home. Advanced driver assist technologies, such as collision mitigation and adaptive cruise control, ensure safety and ease while on the road. The coach is also adorned with numerous exclusive full-paint masterpiece finish, providing an exterior that is both stunning and durable, elevating the vehicle's visual appeal. The 2025 King Air model is available in four meticulously designed 45-foot floor plans: 4521, 4531, 4558, and 4596. Each floor plan has been thoughtfully crafted to optimize space, comfort, and functionality, catering to a variety of lifestyle needs. The starting price for the 2025 King Air is approximately $1.7 million, reflecting its premium features and unmatched craftsmanship. Whether buyers choose a new or pre-owned model, they can expect a motorhome that redefines luxury living on wheels. With its blend of powerful performance, exquisite interiors, and advanced technology, the Numer King Air offers a travel experience unlike any other. For those seeking detailed information about specific floor plans, features, or purchasing options, this motorhome is available through various dealerships and private sellers, making it accessible for those ready to invest in the ultimate luxury travel experience. The Newell Coach P50 represents the height of luxury and innovation in the motorhome industry, combining cutting-edge engineering with a fully customizable design. Built on a proprietary chassis designed exclusively for Newell, this motorhome is powered by a robust Cummins X15 engine that delivers an impressive 605 horsepower and 1,950 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an Allison 6-speed automatic transmission, the P50 ensures a smooth, powerful, and reliable driving experience. For added ease and control on the road, the coach features a ZF active suspension system and Easy Steer electronic steering assist, creating unparalleled driving comfort and precision. The interior of the Newell Coach P50 is equally remarkable, offering a spacious 45-foot layout with quad slide-outs that create an expansive and functional living area. Every detail inside the motorhome reflects sophistication and craftsmanship, from the heated natural stone flooring to the Italian leather furnishings. The kitchen is outfitted with premium appliances, including a Sub-Zero refrigerator and a Wolf induction cooktop, providing all the tools needed to prepare gourmet meals on the go. Entertainment options are abundant, with multiple large-screen televisions and a state-of-the-art audio system seamlessly integrated into the luxurious living space. The 2025 Newell Coach P50 has a starting price of approximately $2.7 million, reflecting its exceptional features and the level of luxury it offers. For those looking for alternative options, pre-owned models are also available, with pricing that varies based on the year, mileage, and condition of the motorhome. With its unmatched combination of performance, comfort, and bespoke design, the Newell Coach P50 is an exceptional choice for travelers seeking the ultimate in luxury and customization. For further details on specific models or personalization options, buyers can explore the offerings available through Newell Coach dealerships or private sellers. The Tiffin Zephyr is a luxury Class A diesel motorhome that seamlessly combines power, comfort, and cutting-edge technology. Powered by the Cummins X15 engine, delivering an impressive 605 horsepower, and built on the Powerglide raised rail chassis, the Zephyr ensures an exceptionally smooth and comfortable ride. This motorhome is paired with an Allison 4000 MH 6-speed automatic transmission, offering precise and efficient performance. Whether you're navigating long roads or winding highways, the Tiffin Zephyr's handling and driving comfort remain top-notch. Inside, the Zephyr stands out with high-end materials and innovative design. The interior is equipped with quartz countertops, plush seating, and stainless steel appliances that elevate the living space. The large panoramic windows provide breathtaking views while allowing natural light to flood the interior. The coach is also packed with advanced technology such as the Spider Multiplex Coach Control System and Starlink Pro Internet, ensuring connectivity and convenience on the go. For power, the Zephyr comes with a 12.5 kilowatt own-in quiet diesel generator and a 420 ampere alternator, making it capable of handling all electrical needs while off the grid. Aluminum wheels, a 360-degree view camera system, and a tilt and telescoping steering wheel with integrated controls come standard, enhancing both safety and driving experience. The Zephyr offers a single floor plan, the 45FC, which features a bath and a half and can comfortably sleep between 3 to 5 people. The Motorhome provides ample storage with a capacity of 237 cubic feet, ensuring there's space for all your gear. Entertainment options include multiple high-definition flat-screen televisions, surround sound, and a Blu-ray player, ensuring entertainment on the road. For added comfort, the Zephyr is equipped with a hydronic heating system, a central vacuum cleaner system, and a stacked washer and dryer. The Tiffin Zephyr is designed to offer a blend of performance, luxury, and convenience for those who demand the best in motorhome living. The Dembell Motorhome represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in the motorhome market, offering a travel experience that rivals the comfort and elegance of a high-end yacht. This remarkable motorhome measures approximately 39.3 feet in length, 8.2 feet in width, and 13 feet in height, with an interior height that maximizes usable space. Its sophisticated design is evident both inside and out, blending modern aesthetics with practical functionality. Designed to accommodate and entertain up to 4 people in complete comfort, the Dembell Motorhome features 2 slide-outs, one expanding the kitchen area and the other enhancing the bedroom space. This thoughtful design ensures a spacious and relaxing environment for extended vacations. The Motorhome also includes a small rear garage, perfect for storing essential items or recreational equipment, and ample interior storage to meet a variety of travel needs. The cockpit features 4 plush seats upholstered in stunning white leather, which, while luxurious, may not be the most practical choice for heavy use. These seats come with advanced features such as heating, cooling, and massage functions, elevating the travel experience for drivers and passengers alike. The kitchen is outfitted with top-of-the-line meal appliances, including a dishwasher, induction cooktop, and oven, ensuring that meal preparation is as seamless and enjoyable as possible. A spacious refrigerator and freezer, alongside thoughtful storage solutions, add to the kitchen's practicality and functionality. The bedroom and living areas exude luxury, offering a cozy yet opulent retreat after a day of exploration. Every detail is meticulously designed to provide comfort, style, and convenience. The showcased model in the video is fully customized and priced at an impressive $1.25 million, reflecting its unmatched quality and bespoke features. The Faulkner Mobile Performance S stands as a masterpiece of German luxury motorhome design, captivating audiences at the 2021 Caravan Salon in Düsseldorf, Germany. Among its most impressive features is the inclusion of a built-in underbelly garage capable of housing a Bugatti Chiron, an extraordinary addition that highlights the motorhome's unparalleled opulence and innovation. The Performance S delivers a wealth of high-end amenities and sophisticated design elements, making it a true symbol of luxury travel. The Motorhome boasts a premium Burmester audio system valued at an astonishing $355,000, ensuring a listening experience of the highest quality. Inside, the Performance S features a master bedroom designed for ultimate comfort, a spacious and luxurious shower, and brilliant white upholstery that enhances its upscale and modern aesthetic. The living and dining spaces are thoughtfully crafted, exuding sophistication while maintaining functionality. The fully equipped kitchen includes state-of-the-art appliances such as an induction stove, a dishwasher, and a refrigerator, allowing for gourmet meal preparation on the go. Every detail of the Performance S is meticulously designed to provide both convenience and indulgence, ensuring that life on the road feels as luxurious as life in a high-end hotel. The price of the Performance S reflects its exceptional quality and exclusivity. The model displayed at the Caravan Salon, which included the Bugatti Chiron, carried a price tag of $7.7 million. For those seeking a less extravagant option, base models of the Motorhome start at $2.4 million, still placing it among the most expensive motorhomes in the world. The STX2 Motorhome stands out for its advanced features and cutting-edge technologies, offering a blend of performance, safety, and comfort tailored for the true adventurer. Designed with efficiency and reliability in mind, this motorhome is equipped with state-of-the-art engines, aerodynamic structures, and innovative safety systems. Driver assistance technologies such as active brake assist, lane keeping assist, and adaptive cruise control ensure enhanced safety and a smoother driving experience on every journey. Inside, the STX2 offers a spacious and luxurious living area that brings the comforts of home wherever you go. The fully equipped kitchen is designed for convenience and functionality, while the bathroom and bedroom provide a sense of coziness and relaxation. The motorhome's interior draws inspiration from exclusive yachts and Nordic design, creating a bright and warm atmosphere that feels welcoming yet sophisticated. High-quality materials such as leather, carbon, and premium woods are meticulously incorporated, showcasing elegance and durability in every detail. One of the standout features of the STX2 is its built-in garage, which provides ample space to store a small car, scooters, motorcycles, or other recreational vehicles. This addition makes it perfect for adventurers who value versatility and the freedom to explore. The combination of luxurious aesthetics, innovative features, and practical design ensures the STX2 delivers an exceptional travel experience, redefining what it means to journey in style and comfort. The RC12M by Motorhomes is an extraordinary motorhome that combines elegance, functionality, and a unique feature that sets it apart from its competitors. With its sleek and uncluttered design, this luxurious motorhome stands as a prime example of sophistication and modern engineering in its class. The RC12M boasts clean lines and a coherent layout that creates a sense of seamless beauty, while its interior is so expansive and well-designed that you might momentarily forget you are inside a motorhome. This remarkable vehicle features 4 large slide-outs, which significantly expand the lounge, kitchen, and master suite areas, offering an unparalleled level of space and comfort. The apartment-like layout ensures that every corner of the motorhome is both functional and luxurious, providing an experience akin to staying in a high-end residence. One of the standout features of the RC12M is its massive rear garage, which is designed to accommodate not just essential storage, but also larger items, such as a sports car. This incredible feature enhances the motorhome's versatility and appeal, making it a top choice for those who value both style and practicality. The RC12M is not merely a motorhome. It is a statement of luxury and innovation on wheels.